Alpine Pat here. Like I said before, Alpine Valley is an all seasons resort. And during the summer, it's just not golf only. Mountain bike trail over 8 miles of single track mountain bike that'll challenge all skill levels. We have special events going on this summer with Nine and Dine, a late afternoon 9-hole golf course, and then sit down for an amazing meal with one of our top chefs. We have a wellness yoga retreat, which sounds pretty appealing to me, you know. It's about being healthy, breathing, and eating correctly. And then we have Phlowfest. 14 bands over 2 days will be set up on the ski hill. It'll be about, again, lifestyles and movement and just, you know, it's just, go on to Alpine's webpage, go on their events calendar, and just see every weekend we got something cooking here. Come out and check out Alpine Valley. You won't just be disappointed, you know, but let's sing this camera here. I usually play the blues, and I don't like, you know, they say, Pat, you know, you're an old guy, you know, you should be on the senior tees. Hi. I'll show this to you. 4? He's fine, he's fine. Get out to, hope to see you at Alpine Valley. Booyah!